Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating a project that I have made it recently. Okay, and the project is written in a scratch from C++. Okay, and the project is pretty much simple. Like it is exactly a encryptor, you can say. Okay, that can encrypt any file. Like you can encrypt like a JPG file, like a PNG file, or .mp4 file. To encrypt a file, you just need a key, and to decrypt the same file, you also need the same key. Okay, you cannot like decrypt the file with any other key. So yeah, pretty much an interesting project. Okay, and also to keep it simple, I haven't used any graphic library because I know like using graphic library makes the project pretty much sophisticated. So yeah, so let me first start the project. Okay, let me first need to clear the screen. Okay, now this is the repository. So firstly it had like an encrypted.cpp file. So this is exactly the main source file. You can say the main code of the file is exactly in this file. Okay, now we have like an image.jpg which we are going to encrypt. Okay, we have like an input.txt, and this input.txt gonna act as a key. Let me show what it exactly contains. So you can see it exactly contain a text which is just like a bullshit. So 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 yeah, so we gonna use uh my laptop is pretty much lagging. Okay, so we're gonna use like this first of all we're gonna okay, so first of all we're gonna be compiling this set. Okay, so let me compile it with G++. Also the project need to be compiled in G++, not in GCC. I don't know the reason, but it's giving some error. So the file is pretty much compiled, and we got a T which is an executable. So yeah, so now let's just okay, now let's just run this file. So for running this file, it's gonna need like some parameters. The first parameter it need okay, so the project exactly contained the two types of encrypting algorithm. The first one is like the cipher, and the second one is like the Vigenere. So cipher is pretty much a simple algorithm. In that you just need to add the bit of the key. Okay, and key is exactly an ASCII value which is ranging from 0 to 255. So you can use any character of ASCII just to encrypt the key. So Caesar cipher is exactly a pretty much like, I would say like it's a pretty much simple algorithm. So we're gonna be using the Vigenere. Okay, Vigenere. Okay, it's like, I don't know like what is this stupid name. So Vigenere. So next the parameter we're going to be needing is the operation which we are going to perform, like encrypt or decrypt. So first of all we're going to be encrypting the file. So first of all we're going to be encrypting the file, then we need the file, the name of the file which we are going to encrypt. I'm going to be encrypting like jpg image.jpg. Now we're going to be needing, okay, a file name which is going to be decrypted. So okay, so this file is going to decrypt in some another file, and in this parameter we're going to be passing the name of that file which we are wishing to create. So I'm going to be creating encrypted image, okay, dot jpg. Of course it's gonna need a same extension. Now we're gonna need a key, so I'm gonna be providing input as key. Now you can see the file is encrypted. Okay, now you can see this file we got. Okay, so you can see this file is exactly encrypted. Nothing is showing in this file. Okay, and I can show you previously like the file which we have encrypted is this one, image.jpg. Forget about my typing, my laptop is pretty much lagging. So this file, okay, which encrypted file is exactly this is the original file. Okay, this is encrypted. So now what we're going to be doing, we're going to decrypt the file, okay, which is this encrypted file. Okay, we're going to decrypt this file. For decrypting the file we're gonna need the same executable file. We're gonna need the algorithm name. Okay, now we're gonna need the operation which is like going to be decrypt. Okay, now we need the name which file we're going to decrypt. We're gonna need the name for the file, okay, which is going to decrypt it. So I'm gonna be keeping it pretty much simple, and we need a key. Okay, tada, so it is decrypted. Now let's check if the algorithm is really working, or it is just piece of idiotic thing. So you can see you can see the file is pretty much working. So this is all about the project. I think like it's not so complicated. You can go through the code of the project, and if you feel like changing something, you can just make some changes to the repo and make some pull request. Like I would be like very happy to merge those pull requests if those are worth merging. So yeah, pretty much this is about the project. If you like the video, sorry, if you, I don't know like what to say, if you like the video, just subscribe to channel. Nothing more. See you guys. Bye bye.